What if I told you that the biggest mistake most people make when trying to grow their own food is starting with fruit trees? Not because fruit trees are bad, but because they are slow, space-hungry, and often far less productive than the plants growing just a few inches above the ground. While people spend years watering, pruning, and waiting for a tree to finally produce something meaningful, there are small, compact plants that begin feeding you within months and continue producing with a consistency that fruit trees simply cannot match. Today I'm showing you 10 tiny plants that can produce more food than fruit trees, ranked from impressive to absolutely unbelievable. These are the plants that turn small spaces into serious food systems. 10. Strawberries. Strawberries earn their place on this list not just because of how much fruit they produce, but because of how they multiply themselves while doing it. A single strawberry plant can produce 2 to 3 pounds of fruit in a season, which is already remarkable considering its size. But the real advantage comes after that first harvest. Strawberries send out runners, long horizontal stems that travel across the soil and root wherever they touch the ground. Each runner becomes a new plant, and each of those plants produces fruit of its own. What starts as a single plant quickly becomes a patch, and that patch expands every season without requiring additional investment. This is where strawberries completely outperform fruit trees. A fruit tree remains a single unit unless you deliberately propagate it, and even then it takes years to establish. Strawberries expand automatically and begin producing almost immediately. They are not just a crop, they are a multiplying system that builds its own productivity over time. The flexibility of strawberries makes them even more valuable. They can be grown in the ground, in raised beds, in containers, or even in vertical towers and hanging baskets. This allows you to maximize space in ways that fruit trees simply cannot. Whether you choose June-bearing varieties for a large single harvest or ever-bearing types for steady production throughout the season, strawberries provide both speed and scale. They are one of the fastest ways to turn a small growing area into a consistent food source. 9. Raspberries. Raspberries represent one of the most efficient ways to produce fruit in a limited space because they grow vertically rather than spreading outward. Instead of occupying large horizontal areas like fruit trees, raspberries produce along tall canes that can be trained onto trellises. This allows you to concentrate a high level of production into narrow rows, making them ideal for small gardens and tight spaces. What makes raspberries especially powerful is their predictable growth cycle. In the first year, the plant produces new canes, and in the second year, those canes bear fruit. Once you understand this pattern, managing raspberries becomes straightforward. You remove the canes that have already fruited, and the new ones take their place, ensuring continuous production year after year. Compared to fruit trees, raspberries deliver results far more quickly. You can begin harvesting meaningful quantities within 18 months of planting, while most fruit trees require several years before they produce anything significant. This shorter timeline alone makes raspberries one of the most practical choices for anyone looking to grow food efficiently. They also produce heavily once established. A well-maintained patch can yield large amounts of fruit with minimal ongoing effort. With the right combination of summer-bearing and fall-bearing varieties, you can extend your harvest season for several months. Raspberries are not just productive, they are strategically productive, giving you more food in less space and far less time than traditional fruit trees. 8. Blackberries. Blackberries take the concept of productivity and push it even further by combining high yields with extremely low maintenance requirements. A single blackberry plant can produce 2 to 3 pounds of fruit each year, and in ideal conditions, the output can be even higher. What makes blackberries unique is their ability to thrive in conditions where many other fruiting plants struggle. They grow well in poor soils, tolerate partial shade, and require far less attention than most fruit trees. Once established, blackberry plants are highly resilient and continue producing with minimal intervention. They also spread naturally, rooting wherever their cane tips touch the ground, which allows them to expand their growing area without additional planting. Modern thornless varieties have made blackberries even more accessible, removing one of the main barriers to growing them. These improved varieties offer the same high productivity without the difficulty of harvesting around sharp thorns. This makes them a practical option for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Compared to fruit trees, blackberries offer a much simpler path to consistent food production. There is no long waiting period, no complex pruning schedule, and no need for extensive care. You plant them, support them, and they produce. Their combination of toughness, adaptability, and high yield makes them one of the most reliable food plants you can grow. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries stand out as one of the most efficient long-term producers among small fruit plants. While they require more patience than some of the faster-growing options on this list, the payoff is substantial. A mature blueberry bush can produce between 10 and 20 pounds of fruit each year, all from a relatively compact plant that occupies far less space than a typical fruit tree. The key to growing blueberries successfully lies in understanding their soil requirements. They thrive in acidic conditions, with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5, which is lower than most garden soils naturally provide. This requirement can seem like a limitation, but it actually becomes an advantage when growing in containers or raised beds, where soil conditions can be controlled more precisely. Once established, blueberries are highly reliable and continue producing for many years with minimal maintenance. Their productivity per square foot is impressive, especially when compared to fruit trees that require large canopies to achieve similar yields. By planting multiple varieties, you can also extend the harvest season, ensuring a steady supply of fruit over several weeks. In addition to their productivity, blueberries offer strong nutritional value, making them one of the most beneficial fruits you can grow. Their combination of efficiency, longevity, and consistent output makes them a powerful alternative to traditional fruit trees for anyone focused on maximizing food production in a small space. 6. Gooseberries. Gooseberries are one of the most overlooked fruit plants, yet they offer an exceptional combination of productivity and resilience. A single gooseberry bush can produce between 5 and 10 pounds of fruit annually, all from a compact plant that takes up minimal space. The berries grow densely along the branches, often covering the plant so completely that it appears loaded with fruit at peak harvest. One of the greatest advantages of gooseberries is their adaptability. They tolerate partial shade better than many other fruiting plants, making them ideal for areas where fruit trees would struggle due to limited sunlight. They also perform well in heavier soils and require relatively little maintenance once established. This level of adaptability makes gooseberries a practical choice for gardeners dealing with less than ideal growing conditions. While fruit trees often demand specific soil types, careful pruning, and pest management, gooseberries simply grow and produce with consistency. Their resilience allows them to deliver reliable harvests year after year without requiring constant attention. In terms of efficiency, gooseberries provide a significant return on a small footprint. Their ability to thrive in varied conditions and produce heavily makes them a valuable addition to any food-producing garden. For those looking to maximize output without increasing effort, gooseberries offer a level of productivity that is often underestimated. 5. Honeyberries. Honeyberries, also known as haskap, are one of the earliest fruiting plants you can grow, and that timing alone makes them incredibly valuable. They produce fruit before strawberries, cherries, and most other common garden fruits, providing fresh harvests at a time when very little else is ready. This early production fills a critical gap in the growing season and adds diversity to your food supply. The plants themselves are extremely hardy, capable of surviving very cold temperatures and thriving in climates where many other fruiting plants struggle. This makes them a reliable choice for gardeners in colder regions who may find fruit trees more difficult to grow successfully. Honeyberries produce elongated blue fruits with a flavor often described as a blend of blueberry and raspberry. The plants are compact, easy to manage, and once established, they produce consistently year after year. Their low maintenance requirements and dependable output make them an efficient addition to any small garden. Compared to fruit trees, honeyberries offer a much faster return and a more predictable harvest. They do not require years of waiting to become productive, and their ability to produce early in the season gives them a unique advantage. For gardeners looking to extend their harvest window and increase overall productivity, honeyberries are an excellent choice. 4. Pole beans. Pole beans represent a completely different category of productivity because they produce continuously rather than in a single seasonal harvest. Unlike fruit trees, which typically produce once per year, pole beans keep generating new pods as long as they are regularly harvested. This creates a cycle of ongoing production that can last for several months. One of their biggest advantages is their ability to grow vertically. By climbing trellises or supports, pole beans use vertical space that would otherwise go unused. This allows you to grow a large amount of food in a very small area, making them ideal for compact gardens and limited spaces. In addition to their high yield, pole beans contribute to soil health by fixing nitrogen, which benefits other plants growing nearby. This makes them not only productive, but also beneficial to the overall garden system. Their growth is rapid, and they begin producing relatively quickly after planting. The combination of vertical growth, continuous production, and soil improvement makes pole beans one of the most efficient food plants available. They deliver consistent harvests with minimal space and effort, outperforming fruit trees in both speed and output. Plant. 3. Peas. Peas offer a unique advantage in that they produce during the cooler parts of the growing season when many other plants are not yet active. This makes them especially valuable during the early spring and late fall, when fresh food options are limited. By filling this seasonal gap, peas contribute to a more continuous food supply. Like pole beans, peas can be grown vertically, allowing you to maximize production in a small space. When supported by a trellis, they produce a significant yield relative to their footprint. Their growth is relatively fast, and they begin producing shortly after planting. Peas also improve soil health by fixing nitrogen, which benefits subsequent crops. This makes them a valuable part of a rotation system, helping to maintain soil fertility while producing food. While their production window may be shorter than some other plants, the timing of their harvest makes them highly valuable. They provide fresh food at a time when other crops are still developing, making them an important component of an efficient garden. Compared to fruit trees, which produce later and less frequently, peas offer a faster and more strategically timed harvest. 2. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are one of the highest producing plants you can grow, and they completely redefine what productivity looks like in a small space. A single healthy plant can produce hundreds of individual fruits over the course of a season, often yielding multiple pounds per week during peak production. This level of output from such a small plant is difficult to match. Unlike larger tomato varieties that produce in limited bursts, cherry tomatoes continue producing steadily from midsummer until the first frost. This extended production period allows for continuous harvesting over several months, making them one of the most reliable sources of fresh food in the garden. When grown vertically, with proper support, cherry tomatoes take up very little ground space while producing a large volume of fruit. This makes them ideal for small gardens, patios, and even container growing. Their rapid growth and high yield make them one of the most efficient plants for maximizing output. Compared to fruit trees, cherry tomatoes offer a much faster and more consistent return. There is no waiting period of several years, and the amount of food produced in a single season can rival or exceed that of many small fruit trees. Their combination of speed, yield, and reliability makes them one of the most valuable plants for any productive garden. 1. Cucumbers. Cucumbers, when grown on a trellis, become one of the most productive plants in the garden. Vertical growing allows you to maximize space while improving air circulation and keeping the fruit clean. This method transforms cucumbers from a sprawling plant into a highly efficient vertical producer. At peak production, a small number of cucumber plants can produce dozens of fruits each week. Like pole beans, cucumbers respond directly to harvesting. The more frequently you pick them, the more they produce. This creates a continuous cycle of growth and harvest that can last throughout the season. Cucumbers grow quickly, with fruits developing rapidly and reaching harvest size in a matter of days. This fast growth rate allows for frequent harvesting and a steady supply of fresh produce. Their productivity per square foot is exceptionally high, especially when grown vertically. Compared to fruit trees, cucumbers offer immediate and ongoing returns. There is no long waiting period, and the level of output in a single season is impressive. Their ability to produce heavily and consistently makes them one of the most efficient plants for maximizing food production in a small space. If this list changed the way you think about growing food, then you are starting to understand something most people overlook. Productivity is not about planting the biggest plants or waiting years for a tree to mature. It is about choosing plants that grow fast, produce heavily, and keep producing over time. The right combination of these small, efficient plants can outperform a traditional orchard in both speed and total output, especially in limited spaces. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these plants you would start with first. And if you want to learn how to grow more food in less space with smarter strategies like this, make sure you subscribe, because there is a lot more to come.